recombinations that occur due to crossing over. Recombination occur due to crossing over. This crossing over occurs during the packed-in stage. What is the crossing over? Mutual exchange of chromatid pieces in between the homologous chromosomes, in between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. So addition of new genes, that is called recombination, genetic recombination. At the chiasmata, in packed-in stage of the meiosis 1, prophase 1, meiosis prophase 1, mutual exchange of chromatid pieces in between the non-sister chromatids of a bivalent. So one chromosome, one homologous chromosome receives the one type of genes and then new genes. In the same way, another homologous chromosome that receives the another type of genes. So addition of new genes, that is called genetic recombinations. This genetic recombination occurs when distance between the genes is the more, or when linkage strength is less, genetic recombination is possible. Due to genetic recombinations, variations occur. That variation leads to the formation of the new species. Formation of new species that leads the evolution. So for evolution, crossing over is essential, genetic recombination is essential, and variations are essential. By crossing over, genetic recombination occur. By genetic recombination, variations occur, and variations leads to the evolution. So that is the significance of recombination. Recombination, addition of new genes. It occurs by crossing over.